Hey y'all, it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Caution. Today we're doing Cup of Chameleon. Here we go. Well, the colors are accurate at least. The taste refuses to settle. A kaleidoscope? Let me go look that up real quick. A kaleidoscope of sensations that leaves my tongue confused and raw. I glance at my reflection, but it does not stay still. It shifts, blurs, mimics something that isn't me. Interesting. Also, I was very close when I was first trying to pronounce that, but yeah. Whoa. I literally turned away, and the first thing I see is, yeah, it's a chameleon. But why you have to look like that? Very meepy, indeed. Alright, that is the Cup of Chameleon. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.